This is code.org. Let's see what we're up to. Lettuce. Collect both crops from this row. This garden is all mixed up. Oh no, we can fix it. It has both corn and lettuce. Okay. Help the harvester pick the items that are ready for harvesting. Each plant will have either one corn or one lettuce. Now we have one block on our screen here, and we can only use 7. As always, I just want to start experimenting because you can be wrong a ton in coding. So let's see how far this gets me. It looks like, I think they might have said that we can go out several, how many is that? I'm not even going to count, guys, because test stuff out. That's what's fun. Okay, so it's almost 1 from the end. Now, I'm not picking anything up yet, but let me throw this other forward down. And now let's see here. What if I do pick lettuce? And let's see what happens. Okay, uh-oh. So now 2 away, I had to pick corn. Let's see, 1, 2. And what's really nice is you can always use step. Okay, pick up. Yep, that works. Step. Okay. Oh, wait, but that's lettuce now? Did they give us hints? Lettuce. Collect both crops from this row. This garden's all mixed up. Okay, so it's going to be hard because notice they're changing it each time on us. Now that was corn, but it wasn't before. Now both are corn. What can we do to switch back and forth? Well, maybe we can check if it is something. I'm going to get rid of this junk for now. So I know I need to move forward, and now I'm going to ask the question. This is called a conditional. If there is corn, do this. Else, do that. This if statement can only run one or the other. So for example, if there is corn, what would I want to do? Well, I want to pick corn. If there is not corn, right? So what if there is not corn? Well, what should I do? This is called a nested statement. So if there's not corn, I might want to say, okay, pick lettuce. Let's give this a try though. Else pick lettuce. All right, well now though, let me put this in a loop. So I'm going to repeat this several times. Quacha, right? 5 times. For testing purposes, I'm just going to say 3. All right, so now what happens here? This repeat 3 times. It's going to run all of this code, hits the bottom, goes back to the top. So let me step through. Okay, so it says repeat, move forward, check. If there is corn, and this is going to say true. I'm asking the computer questions. The computer can say only true or false. True, there is corn. So it runs pick the corn, and that's it. It can never run the else. It can only do this one or that one, never both. So it's going to pick the corn, skips over this else, hits the bottom, and I have to repeat 2 more times. So I move forward again. If there is corn, false. There's nothing here, right? But wait a minute. If there's nothing here, I should pick lettuce. That's a problem. So it's confused what to do because I can't pick lettuce or corn. So instead of having pick lettuce here, I need to figure out a way to check first if there's no corn, right? Because if there's corn, if this is false, do never runs, else runs. How could I check, though, to see if there is lettuce? Boom. Hopefully you're screaming if. Now, if there's corn and this is false, no corn, else has to run. Else, now I'm going to check for lettuce. And only if there is lettuce will I pick lettuce. So let's check this out. Move forward. Now I'm going to check. Is there corn? The computer says false, so now I should check if there's lettuce. Yep. So I don't pick the corn. It will always run the else if it's false. If there is lettuce, what do? I got me some lettuce. Let me hit step. It's going to repeat again. Forward. If there is corn. That is false. So it does not pick corn. Now it checks if there's lettuce. That is false. There's no lettuce. So it hits the bottom, back to the top, and I should move forward again. Now, I'm not going to move forward enough because I think there's how many steps? Do we say 6? Let's give this a try. And these if statements are super important. We did it. Onward.